Embraer announced at the Dubai Air Show 2019 the new name and designation of the multi-mission medium aircraft, the C-390 Millennium.
The C-390 is a tactical transport jet aircraft designed to set new standards in its category, while presenting the lowest life cycle cost in the medium airlift market. The new designation will offer increased flexibility and value for operators that look for a transport and cargo aircraft to perform airlift missions. Its unrivaled combination of speed, payload and rapid reconfigurability for multi-mission operations
makes the C-390 Millennium the answer for global demand for vital airlift capabilities. At the same time, the designation KC-390 will be maintained for the customers that have opted for the aerial refuelling capability.